IGBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Department of FEM, Program MSc Mathematics, second semester, Numerical Computation, and BCom fourth sem, Quantitative Technique, and session of today is primary and secondary data. So, data collection is a term used to describe a process of preparing and collecting data. Systematic gathering of data for a particular purpose for various sources that has been systematically observed, recorded, organized. Data are the basic input to the decision making process in the business. Purpose of data collection is to obtain information, to keep on record, to make decision about important issue, to pass information to the others. Classification of data: there is basically two type of data: primary data and secondary data. So primary data, the data which are collected from the field under the control and supervision of the investigator. Primary data means original data that has been collected especially for the purpose in mind. This type of data are generally afresh and collected for the first time. It is useful for current study as well as for future studies. For example, your own questionnaire. Primary research method and techniques: primary research, quantitative data or qualitative data. Quantitative data is classified in the following ways: surveys. In the survey, a personal interview intercepts a mail in our self-administered in-house self-administered telephone, fax and email waves. Uh, with the help of these tools, survey can be uh, put for the purpose. Experiments, mechanical observation and simulation. Qualitative data: focus groups, individual depth interview, human observation and case study. So qualitative data can be found by the following activities. So primary research method and techniques: quantitative and qualitative information. Quantitative, based on the numbers: 56% of 18-year-old drink alcohol at least 4 times a week. Does not tell you why, when, how. Qualitative: more details tell you why, when and how. Primary research categorize: quantitative research, numerical, statistical, reliable, projectable to a broader population. Quantitative research category: sampling method, random sample, equal chance of anyone being picked. Many select those not in the target group. Indiscriminate. Sample size may need to be large to be representative, can be very expensive. Qualitative research category: stratified or segment random sampling, sample on the basis of the representative strata of or segment, still random but more focused, may give more relevant information, may be more cost effective. Quantitative research categories: quota sampling, again by segment, not randomly selected, specific number on each segment are interviewed, etc., may not be fully representative, cheaper method. Qualitative research category: qualitative research, in-depth insight, generating non-numerical, directional, common technique, personal interview and focus group. Method of observation method: through personal observation, personal interview through questionnaire, Telephonic interview through call outcome, call timing. Mail survey through mail questionnaire. Secondary data. Data gathered and recorded by someone else prior to and the purpose other than the current project. Secondary data is data that has been collected for another purpose. It involves less cost, time, and effort. Secondary data is a data that is being reused usually in the different context. For example, data from a book. Source, internal source of secondary data are usually for marketing application, sales record, making activity, cost information, distributor report and feedback, customers feedback, etc. Source, external source of secondary data are usually for the financial application, journal, book, magazine, newspaper, library and for the internet. Advantage and disadvantage of the primary data. Advantage: targeted issues are addressed. Data interpretation is better. Efficient spending for information. Decency of data. Property issue address specific research issue. Greater control. Advantage and disadvantage of primary data. Disadvantage: high cost, time consuming, inaccurate feedback, more number of resources required. Advantage and disadvantage of secondary data. Advantage: easy to of access, low cost to acquire, clarification of research question, may answer research question. Disadvantage of secondary data: quality of research not specific to researchers' need, incomplete information, not timely. So this is the data collection flow is given in front of you. So this is the primary and secondary data and its merit and demerits, also how to collect the data. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.